What are you guys doing?
Oh, no.
Are you getting all sandy?
No.
You're playing in the sand, Oscar? What are you doing?
Bye. I'm still a baby alligator.
You're a baby alligator? Oh, what are you doing? That was Mommy. Boo. You want to see?
Yeah.
Boo. Uh-oh. Hi, guys. You want to look at the picture? You're trying to look? You want to see? Here, look, we can look at Oscar this way. See? Do you see Oscar? He's playing in the sand, huh?
In the sand.
Yeah, I want to go get in the sand with Oscar.
In the sand.
You want to put sand in that?
I said jump.